Let's travel back to the summer of the 1980s. The beauty of a journey is the sum of its details. Yes, it's all in the details. In 1985, Formosa Saint Jose Corp began developing automotive accessories. Decades of experience and dedication have firmly established our expertise in the car floor mat industry. Our in-house R&D team utilizes high-precision 3D laser scanning to accurately capture original vehicle chassis data. Our engineers custom design each mat based on ergonomics and chassis data, ensuring a perfect 3D fit. We then utilize CNC machining for precise mold development. This ensures the ultimate experience in installation, daily use, and driving safety. We tailor designs for diverse models, covering both left and right-hand drive markets worldwide. From raw material development and manufacturing, to mold design, production, and final assembly, everything is done in-house at our own factories. We control quality every step of the way. To meet the diverse needs of car owners, we have designed different styles of floor mats. We pour our full effort into creating one that truly belongs to you. Take a breath. Walk into the mountains with us and return to nature. Extending our spirit of adventure, we have expanded into a wide range of outdoor gear. With focused innovation and teamwork, we create designs that truly meet the needs of the modern traveler, making the outdoor lifestyle easier and more enjoyable for everyone. Through years of innovation, we've developed the world's first 3-layer eco-friendly composite floor mat. We research every raw material to prioritize quality and safety. Our mats withstand high cabin temperatures without releasing harmful substances or deforming through the seasons. Our advanced process meets flame retardant standards without the use of harmful chemicals. We are most proud of our MAXpider patented anti-slip technology. Its unique structure features thousands of fibers that grip the original carpet like claws. Securely gripped, safely locked, the pinnacle of craftsmanship. Our strong R&D capabilities have earned us numerous international invention patents and prestigious awards. This recognition inspires us to look even further ahead. We keep moving forward to create more possibilities for a brighter future. Without limits, we continue to expand our global footprint. We provide complete sales and service support with extensive distribution channels, building a comprehensive global service network. 40 years of passion and experience have forged a strength that shows the world our true capability. Beauty comes from the details. Details come from unwavering commitment.